How to make Opera GX load faster.
So first is that I recommend that you enable the sidebar because it has very helpful features. So you want to click here, and then you would want to scroll down and enable sidebar right here. Toggle on, and then you would now have the sidebar. In here, we would have the GX control where we could see if you are limiting your RAM or your CPU. That could really affect your performance here in Opera. So I suggest that you turn these limits off so that Opera will be free to use for your resources, and it will be so much faster. So if you're limiting too much, then you want to make sure to adjust it if you really want to limit it. And next is that you have a GX cleaner in here. So you could use this to start cleaning your trash or data trashes in here in Opera GX. That could also help you get faster load times. And you also have some shaders in here. You want to make sure that you don't have that, and you would want to have as less effects as possible. As you can see here in the mods, you can have installed some interface sounds effects right here. Then you want to make sure that you remove everything that is not needed. And then lastly is that you can click here on the settings, go into privacy and security, and go into delete browser data, because it might be that you have been using the browser for quite some time and it might be time to delete your data right here just to do some cleaning, because you might have stacked up a lot of trash. So you could go for a selected time range in here if you'd want, but I suggest all time if that's fine with you. Make sure to save all of your important data here first and click on delete data. And this would create a fresh slate on your browser. So yeah, that's it on how you can do this. Thank you for watching.